everybody and welcome to my Monday Find Your Way videos. Yes, now I'm taking up this challenge for you because I love videos so much and because it's so important to let you know what I work on. And every Monday for the next 4 weeks, we're gonna get a great video about assertiveness and stress reduction, or assertiveness in general, towards self-confidence and communication skills. Today, you're gonna learn why the use of assertiveness will decrease your stress. So, assertiveness for stress reduction. I get this question from my clients and from other people a lot. How can I reduce my stress through the use of assertiveness? This is like, it's not so intuitive to understand the link, right? So I'm going to explain it to you in very simple words. This is why I create this table, yes? It's very homemade, but yeah, with love. So hear me out, because this is what I was working on in my 2 days retreat this very weekend, and it was such a door opening for so many people. So I would like to repeat that, but for you, in order to come, you will need to understand what you have to go through. So hear me out. Since assertiveness means honoring my needs and expressing them, it means that I have to speak up, right? Speaking up is not easy, but that would be one of the first actions after we have defined what assertiveness is. Honoring my wants and needs and find space to express them. From that, the first thing that we would need to do, is to recognize my needs. What do I need? That's not so easy. Sometimes when confronted with a list of needs, we will be a bit insecure actually, or we will have some discomfort because maybe we find out that we're not honoring the needs as much as we do. If we recognize our needs, the next question to ask myself is, do I communicate them to the people around me, or am I just keeping them to myself, building regret or resentment? Very important part now. Resentment and unspoken truth creates absolute loss of energy, and they are a stress source, an immense stress source. If I talk about the elephant in the room, actually I experience relief. By experience relief, we have stress reduction. Meaning, this is so true. If you speak up and if you're more assertive, if you work on your communication skills, needs recognition, you can have so much better life with less stress coming from actually self-expression. I can't wait to deliver more videos to you about this, so maybe we can meet in 2 occasions. Please save the date. 4th of November at the Birdhouse co-working space in Zurich. I will be explaining during lunchtime how you can reduce stress with self-awareness and assertiveness. And on the 5th of November, there is a big event that I'm actually leading with other 6 coaches. And we will have so many techniques that we're going to teach you through coaching to reduce stress. We're going to be in the bahnhofstrasse number 9, and I'm going to put everything in its post in order for you to participate. Okay? So you have 2 occasions, and I'm looking forward to see you there. Bye bye. Stay assertive.